I've got this random bit of hair and it's not behaving. Like what's going on? And yeah, so I'm trying to make it go this way, but I'm not sure if it's working, but yeah, I will. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I am back with your guys' favourite video, a Zara haul. I feel like we all love a Zara haul. I love buying things from Zara, you love seeing what I've bought from Zara, so we're like a match made in heaven, aren't we? So yeah, doing another Zara haul. They've just got all their new stock in there, so I've been picking up quite a few bits. Some I picked up from in store, some I picked up online, but I'll of course link everything down below if I can find it. And this video is very kindly sponsored by Shop Tagger again. I feel like some of you guys will already know what it is, already have it downloaded, been using it for the last few months, but if you haven't, or you haven't heard of it, it's basically a little like Google Chrome plugin, or they also have an app, and it basically alerts you when things go on sale, so when you're like shopping online. So I personally use it on Zara all the time because some things are a little bit pricey on Zara. So basically when you're just like browsing the website, it works on like Zara, ASOS, Topshop, pretty much any website. You basically just click your little like Shop Tagger button in the like top right hand corner. I think so, might be left hand, not sure. You'll see, I'll do a little like demo. So you just press the little button and it gives you the option to choose like what size you want, when you want to be notified, and then you can also save it to little lists. So I personally have like a list dedicated to like spring summer clothing at the moment. Anyway, I'll leave a link to it in the description box if you did want to go download it, because it is literally life-changing if you're like an online shopaholic like me. But yeah, I'm gonna get on with the video now. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. So the first thing I picked up are these jeans. So these are the Zara mum jeans. I got them in a size 10, I think. I think they're about £25. I love the fit of them. I think they come in like different washes, but this is like the lightest blue wash, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, they're very similar to the Topshop mum jeans, however they are like half the price. And I feel like they're a lot easier to get hold of as well, because my Topshop ones tend to be out of stock pretty much always. I would say they come up a little bit smaller than the Topshop ones. However, I personally prefer this because the Topshop ones are always too big on me, like I'm between sizes. So I'd say this is like a small size 10, or like a small kind of waist 28. So yeah, but yeah, I really like them, definitely keeping them. And yeah, let me know what your guys' thoughts are. They're quite flattering around like the bum area and everything. So yeah. Okay, so next up I have this little knitted Co-ord here. So it's this kind of like jumper here, and then the skirt is separate, so you buy them separately, and obviously you can wear them together or with other things. But yeah, I just thought it was really cute, simple. It is so comfortable. It's in this like ribbed kind of material, I'm not sure if you can tell, and then someone's putting out their bins, and then the skirt is like ribbed as well, has little pockets, but yeah. But I just thought it was super cute. Like, you can definitely dress it up for like a night out with heels, or just wear it in the day with like trainers, or throw on some tights and boots or something. But yeah, I'm not sure on the prices of each. I think they're probably about £25–30 each. So for the set, probably about £50 or £60. I got them both in store, so I'm not sure if they're online, but I will have a look and try and link them down below. But yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts. Next up, we just have this white kind of fluffy jumper. Yeah, so I personally wear it kind of tucked in at the front of like jeans and things. But honestly, this is so soft. Let me show you kind of close up. So it's in like a furry kind of material almost. But I'm going to see if they have other colours, and if they do, I am definitely ordering it in other colours. Have I still got the label on? No. Okay, let me have a look at my phone to see if I can see the prices, and also what size I got. Okay, so this was £29.99, and I got it in a size medium. Does come in other colours, but they're all like ugly colours. There's like a bright green, a bright pink, and then a mustard. I was looking for more like greys, camels, blacks. So yeah, I'm not too keen on the other colours, which is a bit annoying. But yeah, I honestly feel like this is like a must-have in your wardrobe. You can wear it with pretty much everything. Like I would even wear this to bed, it is that soft. But obviously wash it before I wear it out again. But yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts. I just think it's a really nice kind of jumper. I like that it's not like a high neck, especially as we're going into like spring now. I think high necks can be a little bit too much. So next up, I just have this little like utility skirt, I would say. Yeah, like a little utility skirt. So yeah, this is what it looks like, obviously. I got it in a size small and it was £29.99. Kind of wish I got an extra small because it is like quite big around the waist still. But I'm thinking the extra small might have been like too short for me. So yeah, a bit of a dilemma there. Do I like reorder it in extra small or what? But I do really like it and I think it's kind of cute with just like a little jumper and trainers, or you could definitely wear like heels and a little strappy top with it. I'll come in closer so you can see it. So it just has this like pocket detailing and then it kind of does up here with like little clasp things. And obviously it has belt loops as well, so you could wear it with a belt, which I think would look quite nice. But yeah. Okay, so I just have this little black kind of puffy sleeves crop top, I'd say. Yeah, so I've been looking at this online for ages, but it's been out of stock. So when I went into store the other day and I saw it, I had to pick it up. I think I got it in a size small. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I just think for the summer it looks really cute with like little denim shorts or denim jeans and things. It's something you can wear like in the day and the evening. But yeah, let me show you it up close. So it has this kind of like square neckline and then these kind of puffy sleeves. I've only seen it in the black, but I'm hoping Zara might come out with it in the white as well, because I feel like that would be like so cute for summer. But yeah, let me have a look at the price. It was £29.99, so it's definitely not the cheapest for like a little crop top. However, I do feel like it is really cute and nice for summer. So I have this blazer here. I ordered this online, so it came like all creased up. Definitely needs an iron. I do really like the colour, and it has like a pinstripe kind of pattern to it. If I can show you up close, so it's like white pinstripes. I do have to say it's quite thin and it was £69.99, so definitely quite expensive for like what it is. I got it in a size small, but they do go down to an extra small. However, I feel like I'm going to return it just because I don't think it's worth the money. Like, it's quite thin. To be honest, it feels like something I could get in like New Look or Primark, you know. So yeah, I do feel like I'm going to return this. Okay, next up I have these joggers here. So they're in like a nude colour, and they're ribbed. Honestly obsessed, and they're £12.99. Like, you cannot get much better than that, can you? But yeah, so really simple, easy to chuck on. I feel like they have a matching top as well. However, I didn't get the matching top. I'm not sure if they come in other colours, but if they do, I feel like I might pick some of them up because they're just really good basics. They go with everything. Let me show you kind of close up. So this is what they look like. Hopefully you can see the kind of like ribbed material. They have pockets and then like the little drawstring kind of waist thing. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. I got these in a size small, so they are definitely more of like a tight kind of jogger. However, you could size up if you wanted them more like loose. So I thought I'd change up my style a bit and go for like this kind of satin rust coloured blouse. Normally I don't really wear this kind of colour, but I thought I should probably try something different for once. But yeah, I do really like the colour and everything, and the feel of the like shirt and blouse. It's really good quality. However, I do feel like it is a little bit too oversized if I untuck this. So this is the size small. It does go down to an extra small, which I feel like is what I should have got. But yeah, I'm not really sure on it, so let me know your guys' thoughts. I'll show you it up close quickly. This is kind of what it looks like, and obviously you could like roll up the sleeves a bit. I feel like that would look better, but yeah, I'm just a bit unsure on it. So yeah, let me know what you think.